I'm Nick Fredericks, project engineer with Barton Malow. I'm here just to get you caught up with where we're at as we approach our first turnover. On the east building, we're at about 99% erected. On our west building, we're just over our truss level. And on the south building, we're wrapping up our foundations. And all around the site, we're buttoning everything up for all the fans that'll be here for the first Notre Dame football game. Come game day, we're going to confine all of our construction activities to the footprints of our new buildings. We're going to come through and pave everything that's dirt with temporary asphalt to provide safe access for the 80,000 plus fans. One of the exciting aspects of our project is the addition of premium seating to the stadium experience. The way we're doing that is with precast stadia units, which are cantilevered over the stadium. Once the steel's put up, we attach the haunches, which are about 20 feet long and provide the surface for the precast stadia to sit on. There's about 44 of these on each of the buildings. Some people ask me why we use precast stadia to provide this new premium seating. There's a few reasons. One of the biggest ones is safety. It's much easier to place and erect these prefabricated units than it would be to erect scaffolding and forms. Another reason we use precast is for quality purposes. It's a lot easier to hold your quality and your tolerances in a precast plant as it would be to fabricate all of these things on site. One of the interesting aspects of erecting this precast stadia is that we had to put it in place after the structural steel was up. So that means that the crane operator has to hoist each unit up and over our existing building and thread it down through each of the bays and set it within 1/4 of an inch of where it needs to be. Once they get a whole level set, you can really get a good idea of what the new profile of the stadium is going to look like. A lot of people think that we're adding on to the existing stadium, but in all reality, our 3 buildings are completely separate. A good example of this is behind me, where you can see the east building cantilevering over top of the existing stadium. And here behind me, you can see the 6-inch gap that is between the new east building and the existing stadium. Here we have one of our typical precast tub units. This one is for level 9, which is one of our largest units, weighing in around 30,000 pounds. To the left of me is one of our riser units, which in conjunction with the tubs will create the new premium seating that is cantilevered over top of the stadium. And that's where we're at with the project right now as we come up to the first home game of the season. And until next time, I will see you at the Crossroads.